Good morning students. Welcome to the new video of English Buzzword Class 2. Myself Shalila Sante, your English teacher. Today we are going to read a new poem. The poem title is My Garden. Everyone loves the garden. Garden is full of flowers, different types of birds, butterflies, bees. Yes? So the poet name is Swapna Datta. First I will read this poem for you and then I will explain this poem to you.
Now I'm going to read this poem. There is a garden in my house, a garden full of flowers. I love to be there all the time and spend just hours and hours. There are roses every kind and lilies in the pool. Sunflowers looking trim and bright, and jasmines white and cool. There is a lawn of velvet grass, so soft, oh, so green, like a carpet beneath my feet, the nicest I have seen. There are bulbuls and parrot too, and quails in the tree, and sparrows everywhere, and butterflies so free. The frisky squirrel with his nuts, I will show them all to you. And after you have met them all, you will love them like I do.
Already I have read that poem to you. Now I am going to explain this poem to you. So what is given in this poem? The poet means who has written the poem. Okay. She loves the garden full of flowers and she loves to spend most of her time in the garden. There are different kind of flowers in her garden. There are roses, lilies, sunflower and jasmine. Even the garden is covered with a soft grass. Therefore, it was written, there is a lawn of velvet grass in the poem. Velvet means very soft. Okay. So, there are different types of birds also in the garden. Example, bulbuls, parrot, quail, sparrow, butterflies, and the sweet sound is also coming from all these birds. And even there is a frisky squirrel. You know what is squirrel? What is frisky? Frisky means playful. You have seen the squirrel. She just play here and there. Yes, she is very playful and she likes nuts. Okay, what do you mean by nuts here? Groundnut, okay, walnut, all different kinds of nuts she likes to eat. Even the poet also invite you to her garden so that you can also enjoy the garden. And she said that you will also love her garden. Okay, so this is all about the poem My Garden from page number 76. Okay, now we are going to learn about the new words that we came across in the poem. First word is trim. Trim means neat. The second word is lawn. Lawn means an open area, open ground area which is covered with a short grass. What do you mean by velvet? In this poem, velvet means very soft. Frisky. Frisky means playful. Okay. Thank you, children. Recite the poem at home and stay safe and please study as well. Thank you, children, once again.